Fun from barbecues to camping and more. Lifestyle expert Niki Anastasakis is here to share some of her favorite essentials to make the season comfortable and memorable. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
Glad to have you with us, Niki. And if we're planning a camping trip, what should we think about packing?
Yes, so MEC Mountain Equipment Company has all your one-stop shop items, everything camping. This is a Canadian company, and I urge you guys to visit your local MEC store where not only the staff is really friendly, but they can help you with picking out the perfect gear and equipment that you need to camp this summer. I want to start off by showing you the MEC Volt tent. This is super compactable. It's light. Look, it can fit right into the back of your truck wherever you're going to take with you. And it can fit 3 people, sets up fast, and it's perfect for when you're away from home.
Love how compact that is. What other camping essentials should we include?
Speaking of compact, I have the Draco sleeping bag from MEC as well, which is also very compact. It's perfect for your backyard hangouts or, again, taking camping. It's valued at a fraction of the price for something super comparable. And also from MEC, I want to show you guys this Hydroflask water bottle. This comes in an array of different colors. This is my favorite, the Botanic Bliss Agave, 946 milliliters, double wall insulated, so keeps your water cold for more than 24 hours.
Okay, so you've got us decked out so far. What about for food? What do we need to keep in mind when it comes to snacks?
Yeah, so when it comes to snacking and keeping things nice and cold, I want to show you guys this Ninja Frost Vault wheeled cooler. This cooler offers premium ice retention. You can fit 68 cans up at the top. This is the 48 quart. It comes in 3 different sizes. And it also has this drawer at the bottom, which keeps your food items cool as well for days, believe it or not. It's really great for your outdoor adventures, what you want to take with you camping or to the beach. And also, speaking of food items, I want to show you guys these QUAKER delights. You know, QUAKER is one of my favorite. It's something that I love to pop in my bag, whether I'm going to work, camping, backyard, hosting, you name it. I have a bunch of items from QUAKER, the Chewies and the Crispies. These Chewies are really delicious. They come in a variety of different flavors. The Smores, the chocolatey chip right now is one of their hot items. You know, it's something that the whole family loves. These are made in Canada as well. Peanut-free facility. They're made with 100% Canadian whole grain oats. And then the crispy minis, these are the Cheddar Jalapeno is my personal favorite. I got a bowl ready to go for after the segment. And those are popped, never fried, gluten-free, and made with whole grain brown rice. So again, you can get these at your local grocery store, Walmart, Loblaws, you name it. These are a must-have this summer.
Very cool. And I'm seeing what you have possibly next, which is really cool. What fun ideas do you have for hosting a barbecue?
Yeah, so I have some more Ninja items. These are really great for, you know, the items that you normally have to go out and purchase at a store. Well, you can make them now in the comfort of your home or in the comfort of your, you know, campsite. If you want to bring them with you, the Ninja SLUSHi and the Ninja Swirl by CREAMi. You can turn your favorite liquids into smooth, flavorful frozen drinks, simply mixing them in a pint, putting the liquid in here, and within 40 minutes to an hour, you have a delicious smoothie. Last week, I made espresso martinis when I hosted in my backyard. They were so good and so perfect. And then, of course, the Ninja Swirl by CREAMi. You guys, just in time for National Ice Cream Day on Sunday, July 20th. You want to get your hands on one of these, make soft serve ice cream right at home for the whole family to enjoy. You can also make it scooped ice cream. And what the catch is here is you can make it healthy. So adding things like protein powder or fruit, you name it, and make some smooth ice cream right at home. Really easy to use as well. You can get these at ninjakitchen.ca.
Awesome. All right, thank you so much for joining us this morning, Niki.
Thanks, guys.
For more lifestyle advice, you can find Niki on Instagram.